Hello everybody, Namaskar and welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing a favorite Bengali dessert recipe of how to make perfect Chaler Payesh. Chal in Bengali means rice and Payesh is the pudding that is made by reducing milk. It is also known as rice Kheer in other parts of India. Chaler Payesh is made during any special occasion like birthdays, festivals, you just name it. So let's cook Chaler Payesh today. Take a heavy bottom pan for this recipe. To it add 1 liter of milk on medium to high heat. I used full cream milk, that is whole milk, for this recipe because it gives a richer flavor. While it comes to a boil, let me talk about the rice. Usually a small grained rice called gobindobhog is used for this recipe because it's got a nice fragrance. But since it's unavailable where I live, I have used kalijeera rice, which is very similar to gobindobhog. But don't use basmati rice for this recipe. So before starting with the recipe, take 2 level tablespoons of rice, wash it very well and soak it in water for about 30 minutes. At the same time, I have soaked 1 tablespoon of golden raisins in water as well. So when the milk is nearly coming to a boil, add the bay leaves. I have used 2 small bay leaves. If you are using larger ones, then use only 1 bay leaf. Next, drain the water from the rice and add it to the milk. Then start stirring. Soon the milk will come to a boil. After that, reduce the heat to medium and keep on stirring. From now on, you have nothing else to do but stir and stir and stir. Keep stirring on medium to low heat or else the milk will stick to the bottom of the pan. Now after 12 to 15 minutes, check on the rice. It should be fully done and should be soft. See, when you press on the rice, it should be totally soft like this. Once the rice gets totally cooked, then add about 6 tablespoons of sugar. Remember not to add the sugar before the rice gets cooked or else the rice just won't get soft. Now after you add sugar, drain the water from the raisins and add that as well. Add the raisins after adding the sugar or else the milk may curdle. After that, add just a tiny pinch of salt. I always add a little bit of salt to all my sweet dishes because I think it balances the sweetness. But remember to add just a tiny pinch, it goes a long way. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder or elaichi powder. You can also crack open 2 elaichi pods, take out the seeds, crush it very fine and then add it to your payesh. I didn't because my family doesn't like bits and pieces of small cardamom seeds in their mouth. So now it's 30 minutes. The milk has also reduced a lot. I have been continuously stirring it, and if you stick a spoon you will be seeing that it coats the back of the spoon. This is how you will know that the milk has started to thicken. At this time, I took out the bay leaves as it has rendered out all its flavor and it's easier to take out at this point. Now after 35 to 40 minutes, you can see the payesh has come to the right consistency. Neither it is too thin nor it is too thick, and it's going to thicken up more as it cools down. So this is the right consistency. So finally our Chaler Payesh is done. It may take some time to make, but at the end it's really rewarding because it's so creamy, so delicious, and I must say you just can't stop eating it. At least I can't. And you know why I made this video? Just to find an excuse to have payesh. Anyway, so hope you liked this video, and if so, then please give me a thumbs up. The ingredient proportions are all given in the description box below. Write to me in the comment section, and if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing it as I will be posting videos every week. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.